What's up, tubers? Now you're an official member of the beard gang. And you're looking for a trimmer to line up your beard because you're new to it, or you already were a member of the beard gang and you're looking for a good trimmer to line up your beard? Now, well, I'm going to share the best beard lineup on the market. Hit it! Welcome to the club, fellas. Ladies love the beards. Now, if you got a beard, you got to maintain it, keep it fresh, keep it looking good, because that's what the women want. They want to rub on your face where it's smooth, and then they feel that hair. Because you got to keep your beard tame, fellas. If you don't, you look stinky, you look junky, you look dirty. So let's get right to it. This right here is your friend. The Wahl Detailer is the best beard trimmer on the market. Lightweight, easy to use, cordless, nice and sleek. Now let's get right to it and see how this thing works. Let's go. Okay, my brothers and maybe sisters, I ain't gonna judge because some women may have beards too. You just never know. But let's see this thing in action, this Wahl Detailer. Now I already lined up the bottom part of my beard because I did it for another video. So I'm gonna do the top part right now. What I like to do, this is a secret barber technique. Okay, so this is some special shit right here. I like to pull the skin. So that way when you pull the skin, it gives you a closer shave. Now I'm going to do it without pulling the skin, and then I'm going to pull the skin. I know some of y'all are used to pulling your skin. Hey, no judgment here. Let's go. Now I'm going to pull the skin just to get it a little bit closer. Just take it, pull it up. I'm glad my nose is clean. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just to make sure you pay attention. Let me give you a side view. Now this is going to be much easier for you because it's a little bit harder because I'm trying to make a video for y'all, but you're not going to be making a video with somebody. You're going to be shaving in your mirror, so it's going to be way easier. Now let's get the hair on the lip. I like to do my mustache like medium size. And whenever you're doing your mustache and line it up, you always want to go like that with your lips. Now my beard is lined up nice and good. I just did all that freehand because I know my beard. But if you want a technique to cheat, this right here, the black beard shaper, is good because you can't cheat and use this. You can just line it up. You can line it up to your face and just cut with your beard. So this is real easy, especially if you're a beginning beard person and you want to give your beard a nice line. The black beard shaper is what I would highly recommend to you. When you finish your beard, as always, you want to use it astringent. I'm using Breeze. I'll include a link in the description. Just rub it in your hands, rub it on your face. And now you're good to go. Like I said, I'll include a link to all the products in this video. But this Wahl Detailer, This is the best for your beard, baby. Subscribe. Ciao!